the lab, we make dreams a reality for beverage entrepreneurs. We help people who have a great idea or a great vision really do all of the operational details so that you can really focus your time on sales and marketing.
This is an idea that's been a long time in the making. I think that we offer something that's unique to not only the craft beer scene here in Minnesota, but also within the beverage industry.
The lab is a valuable resource for beverage creators because it's on a smaller scale. So when large companies or even craft brewers that are starting their own brick and mortar locations, it's hard for them to trial new things without being committed to a 500-barrel brew. That's a lot of beer to play around with. And so what they can do is they can play around here. It's a beverage playground where they can brew, ferment, try different yeasts, and really start to refine what they really want to make and launch to the public. There's laboratories, flavor houses that will make you maybe 12 samples of your product, but you need 100 samples or 1,000 samples to really go out and start selling and marketing to your distributors. And this gives you an option to do that. It's real product in the real package that you're planning on selling in. And so that's the value that we bring to beverage creators. What we want to do is give a resource to our community for craft brewers and other beverage companies to be able to make sure that they're making quality product by offering brewing analytics and microbiology testing.
Laboratories are expensive. Most small breweries, there's no way they can afford it. So to be able to provide a service that allows them to have that assurance that their product is being produced properly is a boon to a small brewer.
It's difficult for small facilities to have all of those resources, but what's great about us is we're a shared resource, so we can help everybody in our community with the resources that we have.